Okay, that ought to be enough. Get the rope off of it. Yeah, I don't think it's yet. You know, watch those gauges. Now, that's the first time it's been run. It ain't been run.
What's it gonna do?
You watch the gauges, and that's the reason I gave you the book. If you see anything flashing, anything, you stop and look and see what's going on. Yeah, we sure don't. You got something on your life jacket.
Huh?
You can hook it on your life jacket. Right here. All right, now, take it easy until you get me going.
Okay, so all I gotta do is hit the red button to crank it.
That's it. Yep, just crank it up a second.